Yo, what's up, YouTube? Alright, I've been trying to do this video forever, just about. Yeah. Like, like 3 or 4 takes, but yeah, I've kept on having, issues with the camera, but here they are. Well, here's part of it. I'm just going to leave them out. I got these on eBay, and that was like under $17 for these two. It's from the Fong Song Company. And they're Kimbas. They're cable cutters. And then those have wire cutters, then the nut grabbers, and cutters, and also crimpers. They're made in Japan. I'll leave part numbers in the thingamabob. And then these are my Channellock 410s. Got those on Amazon for 15 bucks. What a deal. Came to my house the next day even. This set here, I got these Craftsman pliers on eBay for a grand total of $32 shipped. That's right, $32 shipped for these. These are made in the USA by Western Forge. And they got some really nice hardened teeth. I think these are much better than Channellock. Just saying. They feel good in the hand. Much more superb quality metal. And then I also got some USA made crow's feet. That's right. It's about 40 bucks for this set, shipped. Metric 10 through 19. Glad to have them. This bad boy here, my long one, I sent it in. It had a chip in the chrome right down in here, so I sent that off this week, and I will get a new one back in the mail eventually here soon. I think they do it next day shipment, so yeah, hopefully that'll come in soon. And this has the 3/8 head on here, because this is a THLF. Yep, THLF 72. And great ratchet. Normally a 1/4 inch ratchet, but I got a 3/8 head on there. And to do that, you're going to need to get this kit right here, along with the vacuum plate from one of these models. And you can find that on snapon.com. I believe it's about 20 bucks for the kit. Then another thing that I got were from Carlisle Tools, Napa. And it's this 3-piece wire stripper cutter set. And much like the Snap-on, I actually have these from Vim. And I'm going to do a video comparing the two, because it's pretty interesting. I wonder what the Snap-on ones are like of these, because these are really nice compared to the Vims. Really nice. And there's this model here. And I'm going to bring in some Kleins. Compare them to some Kleins too. And then I seen OEM Tools and Easy Red with this particular model. It goes from 12 to 20. And it's got your crimpers there. And this one goes from 10 to 22. So, yep. I got one other thing. And here it is. My Power Probe soldering iron kit. That's right. Finally got one. I've been needing one for a minute. Yep. Finally got it. So, glad to have it. This was $42 from the old Amazon. PPSK is the part number. So, yeah, pretty stoked to have all these items. I'm going to be getting a toolbox here. And one more thing, or another 2 things or so. So, I'm getting a new toolbox. And what I did is I went to cartcash.com and I got a gift card. Harbor Freight Tools, price $371. That's what I paid for, a $400 gift card to Harbor Freight. And I probably could have got it cheaper, but, you know, that's safe. That was a safe purchase right there. I didn't have to meet any weirdos off of Craigslist or anything like that. So yeah, I'm going to save some extra bucks on my toolbox this weekend or next weekend when I pick it up. And then, our buddy PJ from Struggleville, he sent me a magnet. What a buddy. Yep, they're pretty nice. Going to put that on the new toolbox. So, yep. I would like a like, I'd like a comment, and I'd like a sub. And y'all stay classy out there. Deuces.